Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change email on chess.com. So, I was on chess.com the other day and realized I needed to update the email link to my account. And it turns out it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. So, I log in it and went straight to the settings area by clicking the small gear icon in the lower left corner, which opens up the main settings menu, where you then tap on all settings. And from there, I went into the account section, which is actually near the bottom of the list, and inside that area, there's a contact info section where your current email is stored. So I clicked edit next to it, and that's where you can finally replace it with a new email address by typing it in carefully and confirming it again just to make sure everything matches. Then you hit save, and an update is done, and it honestly feels like a lot of steps when you hear it. But in practice, it's just a quick settings change and you're done in under a minute once you know the path. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.